Phalaenopsis Sanderiana, unveiling the beauty and care of this enchanting orchid. Hello, orchid enthusiasts. I'm Ferb Vu, and today, we delve into the captivating world of Phalaenopsis Sanderiana, a stunning orchid that boasts unique characteristics and captivating blooms. This FAQ aims to be your one-stop guide to caring for this exquisite flower. Whether you're a seasoned orchid aficionado or a curious newcomer, we'll explore everything from its distinct features to its specific care requirements. What makes Phalaenopsis Sanderiana special? Unlike its more common Phalaenopsis cousins, the Sanderiana offers a captivating twist. Here's what sets it apart. Striking foliage. Phalaenopsis Sanderiana boasts stunning leaves. Imagine a captivating interplay of emerald green suffused with a subtle purple hue, all overlaid with a mesmerizing silver sheen. These elliptical beauties cascade gracefully, creating a truly mesmerizing spectacle. Show-stopping blooms. The magic unfolds when the Sanderiana blooms, typically gracing you with its presence in mid to late summer. Picture an arching inflorescence, sometimes reaching up to 32 inches, adorned with 15 to 20 individual blooms. These delicate flowers, often described as membranous, boast a captivating display. Pendant habit. This orchid is a natural-born climber. Unlike its upright Phalaenopsis kin, the Sanderiana flourishes as a pendant grower. Visualize its cascading form, gracefully draping over a moss pole or hanging basket, adding a touch of elegance to your space. Phalaenopsis Sanderiana versus other Phalaenopsis varieties, a care comparison. While Phalaenopsis Sanderiana shares some similarities with its relatives, there are key differences to consider when it comes to care. Light. Most Phalaenopsis varieties thrive in medium, indirect light. The Sanderiana, however, appreciates slightly brighter conditions. Think dappled sunlight or positioning near a brightly lit east-facing window. Watering. Here's where the Sanderiana deviates a bit. While most Phalaenopsis enjoy the soak and dry method, the Sanderiana prefers slightly more consistent moisture. Regular watering. Ensuring the potting medium dries slightly between waterings is ideal. Additionally, consider misting the plant daily during hot summer months to provide extra humidity. Blooming season. The typical Phalaenopsis blooms adorn your space during winter or spring. The Sanderiana breaks the mold, gracing you with its floral display in mid to late summer, offering a welcome change of pace. How to care for Phalaenopsis Sanderiana. Now that you're familiar with the Sanderiana's unique features, let's delve into the essentials of keeping this beauty thriving. Potting media. Opt for a well-draining, orchid-specific mix. Consider using a combination of bark, sphagnum moss, and perlite to ensure proper aeration and drainage. Temperature and humidity. The Sanderiana enjoys warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Maintain moderate to high humidity levels, around 60 to 80%. Grouping your orchids together or using a humidifier can help achieve this. Fertilization. During the active growing season, spring and summer, fertilize your Sanderiana with a balanced orchid fertilizer diluted to half strength every 2 to 4 weeks. Avoid fertilizing during the resting period, fall and winter. Troubleshooting common Phalaenopsis Sanderiana issues. Even the most dedicated orchid parent might encounter occasional challenges. Here's how to address some common issues. Drooping leaves. This could indicate underwatering. Ensure consistent moisture without letting the roots sit in soggy media. Lack of blooms. Several factors can contribute to this. Insufficient light, incorrect fertilization, or temperature fluctuations could be culprits. Review your care routine and adjust accordingly. Brown spots on leaves. Fungal diseases can cause this. Isolate the affected plant, improve air circulation, and use a fungicide specifically formulated for orchids. Conclusion. The allure of Phalaenopsis Sanderiana. With its captivating foliage, mesmerizing blooms, and unique pendant habit, the Phalaenopsis Sanderiana is a true gem for orchid enthusiasts. By understanding its specific needs and providing the right care, you can cultivate a thriving specimen that will grace your space with its beauty for years to come. So, embrace the challenge and witness the magic of the Sanderiana unfold.